Hey everybody, it's Ian the Off-Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to be making this fun Easter themed card. I'm not one for Easter cards, to be honest. I don't really celebrate Easter, and Easter's just not that big of a holiday for me, but I had the stamp set and I thought I would put together a card for those who do celebrate. And this bunny image was a cute one, and I don't know, it was calling to me and I felt like I had to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and work with this. Today I'm going to be using this image set from Simon Says Stamp. It's the Bunny Butt Peekaboo Lucky to Know You stamp set. So it's cute because you can turn it into a fun kind of front and back card. I'm just going to use the front image today. I, of course, am going to be inking everything up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink because it's Copic friendly, and I'm stamping on some 60-pound Recollections paper, nothing too crazy. Recollection? Did I say that right? I felt like I misspoke there, but anyways, Recollection paper, 60 pounds, nothing too crazy. I'm also going to be stamping some of the other images, so the eggs and the jelly beans, although I didn't end up using all of them. I went ahead and stamped all of them just to have them handy and ready to go. I'm also going to use this From Me to You sentiment from the stamp set, and at first I stamped it in Juice Box Purple from Lawn Fawn, but I ended up moving to Grape Soda because it's a little more of a pastel, and I think it works better with like the pastel Easter color palette. Now you'll notice at the top of this panel I did go ahead and stamp Easter wishes on this. I didn't really know what I was going to do. I thought I was going to use the panel just like this and just color it in, but I soon realized that I wanted to cut everything out. So I did just basic Copic color on everything, nothing too crazy. If you're looking for a color channel, this is unfortunately not the channel for you because I don't really have that many Copics and I'm not too good at blending them, so I just kind of do what I want to. Now, this is like fast forward way towards the end here. I went ahead and fussy cut out the bunny and the eggs because I wanted a blue background for like a sky, and then I wanted the green of the grass, so I'm popping the green grass up on some foam tape, and I'll be placing that on the front of the card to kind of create a base for the bunny, because otherwise it looks a little weird just floating in the middle of the card. I think I probably could have done that just fine, but I liked having the green grass to kind of ground it all. So I'm using that foam adhesive to place down the green grass. And then once I got the grass done, I went ahead and popped up this Easter egg on the foam tape as well. I'm kind of tucking it behind the grass, and then I'm going to end up layering the other two eggs on top of it, one with foam tape, one without. So this one has a pretty good amount of dimension to it because it's got, let's see, two layers of foam tape, I think, at one point. So it gets a little bulky there. So since I had cut out my paper, I had lost my greeting up at the top, so I went ahead and popped everything into my Tim Holtz stamp platform, and I'm using that same stamp again, but this time in Tuxedo Black ink because the blue would not have shown up very well. So I wanted to make it nice and bold so that way you could see it, so I stamped it with that Tuxedo Black ink. And lastly, I went ahead and added the From Me to You at an angle, and after looking at everything I realized that the card is a little right heavy. The eggs are on the right side, the extra sentiment is on the right side. It's a little right heavy, but honestly I think it all works out in the end. Thanks for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm making it my goal in 2021 to hit 100,000 subscribers, but I need your help to make that happen. Take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then don't forget to check out the other great videos that I have here on my channel. Also, share this video with your friends and tell them to come check out the Off-Kilter Crafter.